Hello everyone, welcome to Broadstairs, and we're by the sea today. It's the first time we've been down here this year. It's a lovely day today. Anyway, I'm here to talk about the second in my series which questions colour. The first was what does green mean, showing the toucans in the rainforest. And this time we've got an octopus underwater. There was a film I saw recently called My Octopus Teacher, and I thought it was amazing, and it's inspired this piece. So I'm questioning why the sea is blue. The real reason is that the red side of the spectrum is absorbed by the water. And here the idea is that we're in the cave with the octopus looking out at the blue sea. You might spot that some of the iconography, what were vines in the rainforest, is now seaweed dangling, and there's coral instead of leaves. But you should, when you see the two together, know that they're part of the same series. Anyway, here's the accompanying verse. Why is the sea blue? Is the absorption of red light true? It's so complex, I'm so nonplussed, I'll consult my friend the octopus.